Hello and welcome back to an Empower Servers tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to install Fabric to your Minecraft server. So the first thing we need to do to install Fabric is actually go to their website. So I'm going to head to Google, just type in Fabric Minecraft, and then you should get to the top link. I've already clicked on it, as you can see, and that's fabricmc.net. Click on that. Now we actually need to install the Fabric installer. As you can see under the installation here, to install Fabric, you need Fabric Loader, and that can be downloaded here. So click here, and then I'm going to use the installer for Windows EXE, but you can use the jar installer if you want. This box will pop up, and I'm just going to install it into my downloads folder, and then press save. Next, we need to go back to the Fabric main page, so just click on the title up here, and then we need to scroll down to the Fabric API for Minecraft 1.14 and above. The Fabric API is needed for every Fabric mod in Minecraft, so click on that one. This is going to take you to a CurseForge page where you can install the Fabric API. Now, you have to make sure you download the correct version, so head to Files. I'm going to be installing a 1.16.5 server, so I'm going to look for 1.16.5 and that's the version I download. But if I was downloading a 1.14.4 server, this is what I'd be clicking. If I was downloading a 1.15.2 server, this is what I'd be downloading. However, I'm just going to download the latest version for 1.16.5. Press download, you'll have to wait 5 seconds, and then I'm just going to put that in my downloads folder as well. I've moved the 2 files out of my downloads folder so it's easier to see. However, you can do all the installation from the downloads folder. So I'm going to open the Fabric installer. It's going to take a minute to open. So first, I'm going to install a client version of Fabric. This is easy. Just like Forge, just click the install button and that's it. Next, I'm going to install the server version, and this will give you the server files required. So as you can see, I've already selected install location of my desktop. Just make sure you install it where it's easy to find, and then press install. This is going to take a little while, just wait for it to finish. If it comes up with this, then make sure you press download server jar. Don't worry about generating launch scripts, this is all done by the Empower Servers panel. Once it says this, just press done. And that's it, you're finished installing Fabric. Now we need to install this to our Empower server. So head to empowerservers.com, click on the server control panel in the top right, and then click manage on your server. Once here, head to management, file management, and now we want to upload a file. So click on upload. So now you need to upload the Fabric server launch jar and the server.jar that they downloaded for you. So just press open on the upload. Now we need to upload the server.jar as well. So hit the upload button again and do the same thing on the server.jar. Once it's done installing, we need to set the Fabric server launch jar to our default starting jar. So press the 3 dots on the panel, click rename, highlight the Fabric server launch.jar, press Ctrl and then C on your keyboard. Then head to configuration, startup parameters, highlight server.jar in the server jar file box, press Ctrl and V and paste in the name. Now press update startup parameters and we can start up our server. Head to system, console and then press start. When you get a pop-up about accepting the EULA, press I accept and then OK. Once you see that your server is marked as on, that means your server is working fine. Now the final thing we have to do is upload the Fabric API we installed earlier, and this makes it so all mods in Fabric work with Fabric. So press management, file management, and then we want to head into the newly generated mods folder and upload just the same as before. We're going to click on the Fabric API, press open. Once we've uploaded the Fabric API, we can get to installing individual mods. So to find mods for Fabric, we need to head to curseforge.com. So head to Google, just type in CurseForge, and it should be the top link. Now we're going to press featured games, Minecraft, obviously, and then we're going to head to mods. Now scroll down, and on the left you'll see Fabric. And here are all the mods you can install for Fabric. I'm going to install one mod today, and that is Antique Atlas, and that is because this mod has to be uploaded to the server and the client. Whereas if I was to install the minimap, it would only be installed on the client. And the process of installing any Fabric mod to your server is exactly the same. So first, I'm going to click on Antique Atlas, and I'm going to scroll down to the recent files. As you can see, my server version is listed here, Minecraft 1.16. If you can't find your server version, once again, just head up into files and it will probably be in there somewhere. So I'm just going to press on the Fabric jar download, and like the API, the download will start in 5 seconds. Box is going to appear. I'm just going to install this mod to the Fabric folder I have on my desktop, and once we've installed the mod, we can head back to empowerservers.com, server control panel, then manage your server, then head into file management and your mods folder. Now just simply upload the mod. There we go. I'm going to choose Antique Atlas and then press open. Now just wait for the bar to go green. And that's it. That's how we can install a mod. Now let's head to System, Console, and restart our server, as we've just installed some new mods, so we have to restart the server for those changes to take effect. Now remember, we also need to install this mod to our client. So we need to head to the .minecraft folder. To get there, the easiest way is to open your Minecraft launcher, head to the installation tabs, hover over a profile, for example my Fabric profile, and then press the folder icon. And that's it, you're in the folder. Next, you want to head to your mods folder. Here's mine. If you don't have a mods folder, just create one yourself and make sure it's mods or lowercase. Once we're in the mods folder, we need to install the API and the mod that we just installed. Here's the folder with all the Fabric things that I've installed in this video, and we're just going to drag over the API and drag over the Antique Atlas mod. And that's all you need to do. Now you might have an error here if you use Forge. You're going to have to delete these mods or move them elsewhere if you want to use Forge, as Forge will crash once they load these mods in. Now everything's ready and we can connect to the server. So I'm going to open my Minecraft launcher, press play on my Fabric loader, and then I will show you me logging into the server. So once you've got Minecraft open, press multiplayer, head to your server. I've already added it in my case. And now, as you can see, we are online on the server. So just to show you that we got the mods working, I'm going to search for Atlas. And there we go, the mod we installed is working fine. Thank you very much for watching. If you require any more support, the fastest way to reach us will be via live chat, located in the bottom right corner of your screen at all times. Thank you for choosing Empower Servers.